And this lady will tell you now why that is, because she is the journalist Sarah Cruddas, a space journalist, of course, we should say. You're a spacer. And,
a spacer?
Yes,
a spacer?
A spacer. Well, in Northern Ireland parlance, a spacer is someone quite odd, really.
Thanks.
She's
You're
a
a spacer also.
Or if you're a space cadet, you know, you say to you, she's a space
worse.
cadet, that's Sarah Cruddas. Anyway, but why was everybody on the planet being asked to take a selfie by NASA?
I know, right, it sounds a little bit tacky, but the idea is NASA wanted everyone on Earth to take a selfie because since 1960, so for over 50 years now, NASA has been going into space taking selfies of the Earth from space, and it was for World Earth Day, which is all about just raising awareness of the fact we've got planet Earth, we need to take care of it. So NASA basically asked everyone on Earth to take a selfie, a log where they took that picture, and then NASA wants to be able to put all these selfies together to recreate some of the most iconic images from Earth from space. And the idea is just to raise awareness of the fact that, you know, we go into space, we go and look for new worlds, we try and push the boundaries of science, but actually one of the biggest benefits of space science and technology is looking back into Earth and trying to understand more about our own planet.
This is how we do it. We go to our big wall here, and this is the idea. So
where's your selfie on there?
It's just, well, we'll get it. Get your phone out as well. We've got to add to this. So basically then they're going to get millions and millions and millions of these, and then they are going to form pictures of recognisable things on Earth. Is that right? Like a jigsaw?
They're going to recreate the most iconic pictures of Earth from space. So I'm sure you must remember from Apollo that iconic image of Earth rising from over the moon, because it's the fact that we pushed these boundaries, we went to the moon, we went to space, but the thing which inspired people most was being able to look back at our own planet and realise we are just this blue marble. So that's what NASA wants to do, and also raise awareness of all the science that they're actually doing from space, such as, there's a great example about, you think space has never done anything to benefit people in Africa, for example, but actually satellite technology looking back at Earth can find magmatic regions in volcanoes in East Africa, which could have the potential to find areas where you could drill for geothermal power, which could actually lift a region in Africa out of poverty. So there's a lot of excellent science going back, which involves looking from space back into Earth. So that's what NASA's trying to do by trying to cotton onto something which a lot of people do nowadays.
Selfies, though.
Sorry, I just want to say, do you see that lady there with the hat on? I thought she was dead. That's brilliant that she's not. She was Miss Marple, but she's not Miss Marple now, is she?
It's an actress.
Well, she must be. Or she wouldn't have that hat on. But anyway, things you learn, that's good. I'm glad to know that she's there. So as well as being St. George's Day, as well as being Shakespeare's birthday, it is World Earth Day as well.
Yes, that's right.
What a good day.
There we go.
What about all those people that don't have mobile phones and that can't participate in this? Isn't it excluding a huge proportion of society?
I suppose
and therefore
it is.
It's not that scientific.
It is, that's right, but everyone on Earth you're going to have someone who does have a mobile phone, so who can at least be involved with it. So you're completely right with your point, but I think it's more getting the social media generation involved, and it's almost like we went into space, we went into cyberspace instead of outer space, so let's try and cotton onto that.
Excellent. Is there a camera on your iPad?
Good question. Fast learner. See if I can find it.
And
we'll
can
take
you
a
work
quick
it? I'm always...
Don't ask me now, Adrian.
No, that'll be a no then.
That'll be a no. Well, there probably
There's
is.
not one there. But Sarah, we'll be working on it. We'll get that selfie in there. So you want people to do the thing. And have they to hold up a sign then? Have they to do that sign business?
Yeah, just to let them know where you are. So you meant to print out the sign as well and write your name and whereabouts you are as well.
And is there a website or anything they...
Well, you can put it on Twitter or Instagram with the hashtag #GlobalSelfie.
Okay.
Oh, I found the camera.
Oh, you found the camera? Yeah. Great. We don't want you. I mean, obviously it is.
We've got to write something on that.
Oh, sometimes I surprise myself. Look, that's
there
wonderful.
We'll
wonderful.
Put that online for you. Yeah.
Maybe
not.
It's
a cracker.
It's a cracker. It's a cracker. There we go. But I might need... Look at that. Look at that. Wonderful.